Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be washing my hair. This is a full wash day. As you can see, I'm in my back room, and in today's video I'm going to be using a Nigerian brand. Yes, a Nigerian brand. The name of this brand is called kinkynigeriancurls. I've been following this brand and it really improved. I know the owner, like, she's really cool, she's really amazing. The babe is hardworking and I just want to support her. And a lot of people ask me, I posted a picture of the products on my Instagram. Follow me on my Instagram. I post a lot of natural hair tips and product stuff and everything. These products are so pretty. I love the package. I already prepared my hair, so it's just going to be straight to the washing. This video is not sponsored. I'm just doing this because a lot of people ask, they want to know what the full collection, how it works and everything, so that's why I'm doing this video. There are some Nigerian brands that are killing it, that are doing really good, and I'm just trying to support, black owned businesses, support the Nigerian brand. Okay, all right, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? I make awesome fun natural hair videos, fitness videos, lifestyle videos, you name it, I got you. All right, Livia with the Fro, got you. Enough talking, let's get into this wash day. Okay. So guys, I'll be starting out on pre-put hair. I pre-put my hair overnight and I use the Kinky Nigerian Curls Hot Oil Fusion for this. Next, I'm rinsing out the excess oil on my hair with warm water and I'm going to go for my shampoo. So my hair is wet. I'm just going to take some of my hand. It has tea tree, I think tea tree and mint. I'm getting that, minty vibe. Yes, it has mint and tea tree oil. So yeah, I'm getting that minty, tingly sensation sort of, and the smell I can smell as well. So not bad. As you can see, it's foaming really well. It's foaming really well. So I'm just rinsing out my hair, rinsing out the shampoo out of my hair with warm water, making sure my hair is squeaky clean. Rinse, rinse, rinse. Guys, I just finished using the shampoo and my hair does not feel stripped at all. It has this tea tree, minty, tingly sensation thing which I'm enjoying, and it's probably because I also pre-put my hair before shampooing it. I use the Kinky Nigerian Curls pre-put as well, so my hair still feels pretty much moisturized, but my scalp is clean, as you can see. Alright, my scalp is clean. I'm going to wait for my hair to be a bit damp and then I'm going to apply the deep conditioner. Alright, so guys, my hair is damp now and I want to apply their deep conditioner. It says apply to slightly damp hair, work in sections to ensure proper coverage, pay attention to your ends, massage products into hair from root to tip, cover with a plastic conditioning cap for 20 minutes with heat, and then rinse off water to close up your cuticles. Like, it's very descriptive, which I like. Like I said, my hair is damp now, so I'm going to be applying this. Let's go. Oh. I love it. It's very moisturizing, I can tell already, and it's just absorbing into my hair. Making sure to get the products on my ends, which is very important because these are the oldest parts of my hair. So guys, I've applied my volumizing avocado and hemp deep conditioner on my hair, and I have to tell you, my hair is so soft. Like, it's so soft. I love it. I love the smell. I love the slip. This deep conditioner is definitely bay material. I can't tell if it's bay yet until I use heat, then I'll know if it's fully bay. But so far so good. I'm enjoying the result. My curls are popping, ting 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 ting. Can you see that? This is what my hair looks like after applying the deep conditioner. I'm just gonna put my hair into 4 chunky twists so that I can put it in a plastic bag for my heating cap. I just twisted my hair. I'm going to put a plastic bag over it, and I'm going to use my steaming cap for 30 minutes, and I'll be right back. I just got out of my heating cap and this hair feels so soft. I wish you could touch it. My hair feels super soft. This is the only amount of shed hair that has come out of my whole hair, so this is amazing. I'm going to rinse off the deep conditioner now, and then we're going to go try out the other products, okay? So guys, I'm just rinsing out the deep conditioner from my hair, rinsing it out thoroughly, and yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm rinsing. Guys, look at how long my hair looks like when it's wet. Oh my god, but the shrinkage. So guys, my hair feels super soft and I'm just like amazed. Like, I am amazed, and my hair is just looking healthy and voluptuous. Like, I love this deep conditioner. Like, it's big. This is what my hair looks like after rinsing out the deep conditioner. As you can see, my hair is bouncy. It's full, so that whole voluptuous thing that they wrote on it is actually true. My hair is voluptuous, it's bouncy. My curls are popping. Like, look at this. Wait for my hair to be damp, and then I'm going to use the other products. As you guys can see, the shrinkage, my hair is a bit damp, so I'm going to go ahead and use the other products from the Kinky Nigerian Curls collection. The first thing we have here is the leave-in conditioner. This is aloe vera and coconut with rice protein. Reading the instructions, says after using our deep conditioner, rinse hair and apply this to damp hair and gently detangle and style as desired. So I'm going to take some of this leave-in and put it on my hair. It's thick, which I like. I like thick leave-in conditioners. So the leave-in is on my hair. I applied the leave-in conditioner. I like the consistency. It's thick. I'm not really a fan of the smell. It smells like coconut, but the whole aloe vera thing, I'm not really a fan. But like I said, this is what the product looks like on my hair, and my hair is really liking it. It's making my hair softer. I don't know how these things are possible, but my hair is softer than before. The product I'm going to be using from Kinky Nigerian Curls is the revamped Shea butter. I have been using this already, so I'm just using this as my hair butter. I just use my leave-in, which is for the LCO method. Leave-in first, hair butter, cream, and then an oil. Just rubbing that in my hair. This really helps with your hair from shedding because of the Shea powder. I'm going to use this Kinky Nigerian growth oil as well, just a little bit. I mostly use this on my scalp. This oil gives your hair this tingly sensation that I just love. The last product I'll be using is their 2-in-1 knotless detangler, and I just want to try this. Mind you, this product is supposed to be used on its own, but I still want to try it. So I think I'm just going to use it to smoothing my edges, and then I'll be doing like a flat twist. It has this gel-like consistency. I feel like all this whitish stuff on my hair will go when the hair dries. So I'm just using that knotless detangler to slick my edges, and yeah. So guys, it's just a regular schmegler flat twist out. I'm just doing this to stretch out my hair, nothing special. But one thing I can't stand in this video, guys, look, the pimple on my nose is so annoying. I don't like it. Oh my god. Putting it to the other side, and I'm gonna twist it, and I'll be back for my final review. So guys, I'm done with this amazing wash day using all the Kinky Nigerian Curls products, and this is my final result. Like I said, I just put my hair in 2 flat twists to stretch it out. I can say that I liked most of these products. My favorite has to be the deep conditioner. The shampoo was very foamy. It didn't leave my hair feeling stripped. I like the leave-in, I like the texture, but like I said, I'm not a fan of the smell. The growth oil I'm already used to. The Chevy butter I love. That's one of my favorite things in the collection. And yeah, and the knotless detangler, I just use it to smooth like my edges. Maybe next time, because the product is supposed to use on its own, so I'll see what I'm going to use it to do. Well done, Kinky Nigerian Curls. I am a fan. I love this product. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let me know if what you would like to try in the collection. Like I said, this video is not sponsored. I just wanted to try it because I'm like, wow, like a Nigerian did that. A Nigerian woman that I know did that. I'm like, I gotta support, okay? And I'm supporting. So guys, as you can see, the product is already absorbing into my hair, and it doesn't look white anymore, so that's good. Like, the product will leave your hair white, especially when your hair is wet. They will absorb into your hair. Just give it time. Bye guys.